Enjoying their breakfast. Well, lunch at this point. Such a nice day today, huh guys? I like to mix their grain in with the water. They love it too. Shirley's just like a little puppy dog. She just comes up to me and just wants loves. Good girl. Come here. Come here. Hi. You're the sweetest goat that I've ever owned. You know that? Are you the sweetest girl? Huh? I think so. Hey, you like to jump on me, huh? You little stinker. Hi, you look like a fat potato. You're finally gonna love me, huh? She actually, like me now, or is she just too fat and pregnant to run away? So she doesn't care. Normally she doesn't let me even touch her. She's been that way since I got her. But this morning she seems to be liking the loves. Shirley's over here begging for more loves. She's over here rubbing her head on my shoulder. Really nice day today after snowing all day yesterday, huh? Being so cold and windy. Hey, my pretty girl. Oh, she even came closer. Yeah. The scratches aren't so bad, are they? Oh, is that the spot? Georgia comes over and scares her away because she's so jealous. And she don't even want loves. She just wants me to stop loving on them, so I'll go get their food. Come on. Hey, you little baby. This little guy got bloat day before yesterday from getting new hay. And I don't know why, because it was just grass hay like I've normally been buying. So I don't know why he bloated from it. Hey, don't eat those. Don't eat those, girl. And so, I mean, I took him home and he was a house goat for like a day, but he got better and his bloat went away. He was going to the bathroom like normal. Hasn't really returned back to his normal self. He still just seems a bit like, I don't know, off. I just gave these guys a bunch of hay to scratch around in because we got a bunch of snow yesterday. It was real cold and windy yesterday. So unfortunately I've tried all the things and Ruben still keeps attacking me. He's still really aggressive, so I'm gonna be saying goodbye to him today. He's just really aggressive and mean. And I've got several other roosters in here that are all nice, so I can't keep him around. Here's my Coturnix quail. I'm trying to grow my covey. I've got eggs from these guys in my incubator right now. I'm going to try giving this feeder to my quail. Hopefully it'll make it so that they can have food 24/7. That that was actually a pain in the butt to get in that small little door. So from here on out, I'm gonna have to just fill it up inside of there. Because I ended up spilling a bit. But yay, that'll be good if they can have food all the time. So I get this like not quite olive colored egg, but it's green. And I don't know who's laying it. Do you think it's my Silky right here? Should look up. Pretty sure this one right here lays brown. I know GLW right here is laying brown. She's the one who's laying the small white eggs. So what do you guys think? This green egg. Do you think it's her?